My dear students, welcome you in this video part 4. In 3 videos, I taught you correct use of noun. Now, on the same topic and the rule of 12, I shall teach you the correct use of apostrophe or possession. The rule is double possessive or apostrophe is not used, one for apostrophe s and other for of. For example, Mohan's brothers' books are new. It is wrong. Double apostrophe is used. So, the books of Mohan's brother are new. Now, B point, double possessive or apostrophe is used with each noun when ownership or possession of each noun is not same and plural verb is used for them. For example, Mohan's and Sohan's houses are in this colony. Mohan's house and Sohan's house are not the same. They are separate. So, apostrophe s is used with each noun. C point. If ownership or possession is equal for one thing, apostrophe is used with second or last noun and singular verb is used. For example, Geeta and Sita's house is in this colony. Ownership of Geeta and Sita for a house is same. So, the apostrophe is used with second noun and singular verb is used. D point. For plural nouns only apostrophe comma is used. For example, boys school, girls college. He is the principal of girls college, not girls college. Exception. If the noun is plural like women or children, apostrophe is used. For example, shell for women's garments. In this way, we have completed the syntax of noun. Correction of sentence, correction of noun is completed, and you should make a deep study and to try yourself with this exercise of correction of sentences. For test, I give you this exercise of 15 sentences, and after making a deep study of correction of sentences of noun, you try to correct the following sentences, and I shall check these sentences in the next video, and I hope that you will be agree with me for giving you an exercise for practice. The sentences are: Porridge and milk make a good breakfast. The second, his anxiety and distress were so great that he could not sleep at all. The poet and novelist are dead. The collector, together with his staff, were present in the office. Mohan as well as Syam have won a prize. Both Ram and Syam has done their work. Both Naresh as well as his brother is coming to attend the function. 16 miles are no great distance. His hairs are grey. Sceneries of Kashmir are charming. The wags of sin are death. Gita's sister's cycle runs smoothly. Whose are these cattle? He gave me an advice. These are some sentences. You have to solve them, and in the next video, after checking these sentences, I shall teach you the correct use of pronouns. Thank you.